Good morning, everyone. I'm so excited this morning about our erupting bunny juice. This is awesome. We're gonna give it a minute just to see if anybody hops on our call, our video today. While we're waiting, I'm gonna bring my camera down to my tray so you guys can see this. Hopefully you can see it okay. What we need today is some vinegar. White vinegar will do, any kind of vinegar will do. Baking soda, I have mine in my bag that I usually carry around with me to my classes. A measuring spoon, 1 tablespoon. Mixing spoon. Some food coloring, I have 2 different colors. Some soap. I have a carrot to stir with. 2 different size cups if you like. I have a little Dixie size cup, and then I have a small little cup that I'm going to pour my food coloring into. And of course, a tray to catch our eruption. So I'm so excited about this eruption. It's one of our favorites. The kids love it whenever we do it in our classes. My name is Miss B. I'm with Kidscapades, and thanks for hopping on this with me today. So the first thing we're going to do is, are you guys ready for this? We are going to pour some vinegar into our cup, into our bigger size cup if you have it. And I hope you guys can see this. The light, it's raining here in Connecticut, and it's a little dark, so I have the light on. Let me just turn my light off. Maybe you can see the cup better. Can you see the cup better? Okay, I think that might be better. So I'm gonna turn my kitchen light off. All right, I'm gonna pour this vinegar, about a half cup of vinegar. Fill it halfway. Fill your cup halfway with the vinegar. Okay, we're gonna set that aside for 1 minute. And then in our smaller cup, we're gonna pour a little vinegar again. So I have 2 colors together I'm gonna put in this cup of vinegar. I have red and blue. If I mix red and blue together, what color do you think it's going to make? Let's see. Let's see what color it's going to make. I'm gonna give a little squirt of red. And it's fine if you just have 1 color of food coloring. I thought it'd be fun if we just added a couple of different colors so we can get the color that I wanted to make this morning. So if I mix red and blue together, it makes purple. Our bunny juice here at Kidscapades at home with us is going to be purple. What color is your bunny juice going to be? Okay, so I am going to pour this vinegar colored food coloring into this clear colored food coloring. What do you think is going to happen when that happens? Do you think that this food coloring is going to change color? Let's see. Let's make a prediction. So a prediction is a guess. Let's make a guess. Do you think that this color, this plain clear color, is gonna turn the color of your food coloring? Let's see, let's add that in there. Pour it all in there. All right, I have a little bit left. I'm gonna put it aside because my cup is small today and I don't want to overfill my cup. But did it change? It changed to purple. I made purple. Awesome. Now, we gotta give this a little mix, and I'm gonna give it a little mixed with my carrots. So I'm going to give it a little mix. We're going to count to 10. Can you guys help me count to 10? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Perfect. Okay, so our next ingredient that we're going to use, anything happened first of all with this? Anything happened to yours? If you can look at mine, you can see there's a lighter purple on the bottom and there's a darker purple on the top. So you should, if you look at your cup, see if you notice 2 different colors. Usually the lighter color is on the bottom and the darker color is on the top. Okay, the next ingredient we're going to add to our bunny juice is a little dish soap. My dish soap smells like lemon. So if you want to take a smell of your dish soap with me, mine smells like lemon. What does yours smell like? We're going to give it a little squirt inside our juice. Oh my goodness. What do you think's going to happen now? If we stir this up, what happens when you add soap to a liquid? When you add soap to your hands and you wash your hands under the water, what happens? What does it make? It makes bubbles, right? Let's see if we can make some bubbles inside our cup. Ready? We're going to give it a good stir. Let's count to 10 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh my goodness. We made a few little bubbles in there. Did you make bubbles in yours? Okay. Now this is the best part. This is the best part. You guys open your eyes wide and big and watch what happens. I want you to make a prediction or a guess. What do you think's gonna happen if we add baking soda to this? Do you think that it's just gonna make a little, like just continue to make the little bubbles that we made when we stirred it first? Or do you think that it's gonna fizz and bubble over just to the top? Or do you think that it's gonna fizz and bubble over and over and over into your tray? What do you think's gonna happen? My goodness. Okay, are you guys ready for this? Let's do it together. I'm going to take a tablespoon and I'm going to scoop out my baking soda. We have to say some magic words when we're doing this. So on the count of 3, before we pour our baking soda in, we're going to say bunny juice. So do it with me if you can. If not, count to 3 and just watch with your eyeballs. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, pour it in. Bunny juice. Whoa, look at that. Isn't that super cool? We made our bunny juice erupt. And what happens is the vinegar mixes with the baking soda and it makes a chemical reaction. And that reaction helps make an eruption. Isn't that super cool? So now I'm actually going to take my spoon and I'm going to stir this up a little bit. And you can try it at home too. Stir it up a little bit. Make sure your spoon touches the bottom of your cup. And we're going to try and reactivate this. Reactivate means to start it again. Sometimes, if we're lucky, we get to start the eruption again. So I'm going to stick my spoon in here and I'm going to count to 3. 1, 2, 3, and then take your spoon out. Oh my goodness, we got it to erupt again. Awesome job. That is super fun. It's one of our favorite experiments. You guys did an awesome job today. I'm going to turn my light on so you guys can see me. You guys did an awesome job today. Kiss those brains. So Kiss your brains looks like this. Kiss your hand and touch your head. Kiss those brains. Awesome job, scientists. So tomorrow I will be back on at 10 o'clock. We're gonna do a mirror art project. And then if you go on our events section on our Facebook page, you will be able to see a list of the next couple of weeks Facebook Live events. So thanks for joining us today. And again, this is Miss B from Kidscapades. Go on our website. We are actually doing a lot of virtual online classes too that we just started launching last week. So if you're interested, go to kidscapades.com, give us a little jingle. I'd love to set some play days up with you guys, or if you have any birthday parties coming up and we can't get out, we can do some science experiments virtually with you guys. So check it out. Check out kidscapades.com. Thanks so much. Stay safe. Have a wonderful day. And I hope you enjoyed your science experiment. And for those of you that didn't have the ingredients to do along with us, you are certainly welcome to come back to this video at any point in time. It will be posted on our Facebook page as soon as we're done going live. Thanks so much. Have a great day, guys.